What if your thoughts could shape your cells? What if your beliefs could influence your biology? And what if consciousness itself, the very thing you use to experience life, could reach deep into your DNA and alter the way your genes express themselves? This may sound like something from a science fiction story, but it is part of a rapidly emerging field called quantum biology. Today, we explore one of the most astonishing questions of our time. Can consciousness shape our genes? To begin, we need to understand something crucial. The world inside your cells is not mechanical. It is quantum. At the deepest layers of biology, the processes that keep you alive, photosynthesis, smell, enzyme activity, neural firing, even DNA mutations, operate using quantum effects like tunneling, entanglement, and superposition. These are not just physics concepts. They are happening inside you right now, shaping every breath, every thought, every heartbeat. Quantum mechanics tells us that particles exist in multiple possible states until they are observed or influenced. And this idea becomes even more mysterious when applied to living systems. Scientists are discovering that biological molecules are not simply reacting at random. They may be responding to fields of information that go far beyond classical chemistry. This raises a powerful question. If the smallest processes in the body operate on quantum rules, can something as subtle as consciousness influence them? The answer is not simple, but the evidence is growing. Let's start with gene expression. Your genes are not fixed, silent instructions. They are dynamic, turning on and off in response to your environment, your emotions, and your thoughts. When you feel fear, your body activates stress genes. When you feel peaceful, your body activates healing genes. When you engage in meditation, gratitude, compassion, or focus attention, your nervous system responds in measurable biological ways. Your brain chemicals shift. Your immune system strengthens. Your cells repair themselves more efficiently. But what connects consciousness to your genes? Many scientists believe the link is quantum coherence inside the body. Some studies suggest that microtubules inside neurons may create quantum states that allow information to flow in ways we do not yet understand. Other researchers propose that consciousness may not be produced by the brain at all, but instead interacts with the brain through quantum fields. If this is true, then the mind is not limited by the physical body. It may work directly with the quantum processes inside your cells. DNA itself appears to have quantum features. The way it mutates, repairs, and communicates involves tunneling and vibrational energy. Even more surprising, experiments have shown that DNA can respond to human intention, emotion, and focused awareness. When consciousness interacts with the body changes. It adapts. It reorganizes. It evolves. This is not magic. It is biology meeting quantum physics. Think about what happens when you experience stress. Your body releases hormones that switch on inflammatory genes. Prolonged stress literally reshapes your biology from the inside out. But the opposite is also true. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, visualization, love, and positive focus have been shown to alter gene expression in ways that improve health and longevity. The question is why? What mechanism connects awareness to the genome? Quantum biology suggests the answer lies in energy and information. Your thoughts produce electromagnetic signals. Your emotions shift the coherence of your heart and brain. When your internal state becomes harmonious, your cells begin to operate in a more ordered, optimal way. Coherence creates clarity in the body, and clarity leads to healthier gene activity. Some researchers even propose that consciousness may influence probability fields at the quantum level, nudging biological systems toward order instead of randomness. Your attention may literally shape the behavior of particles within your cells, guiding biochemical reactions toward healthier outcomes. This idea is profound. It means consciousness is not just something that lives inside biology. It is a force that interacts with biology. The observer effect may not only apply to particles in a laboratory, it may apply to life itself. Imagine your body as a symphony of quantum events, vibrations, signals, and energetic patterns that respond to the quality of your awareness. When your mind is chaotic, the symphony becomes noisy and disordered. When your mind becomes calm, focused, and intentional, the entire system begins to tune itself. You are not simply a biological machine. You are a biological field interacting with a conscious field. So what does this mean for your life? It means your story is not written in stone. Your genes are not your destiny. You have the power to influence the way your body expresses itself. You can shape your biology through your consciousness. Every time you choose peace over stress, gratitude over fear, love over resentment, or awareness over autopilot, you send a clear signal to your cells. You tell your genes to activate healing instead of damage, growth instead of decay, expansion instead of contraction. You become an active participant in the evolution of your own body. Quantum biology is revealing a truth long known in ancient traditions. The mind and body are not separate. They are deeply interconnected through a web of energy, information, and quantum processes that science is only beginning to understand. Consciousness shapes biology. Awareness influences genetic expression. Your inner world affects your outer health. You are not just a passive observer of your body. You are a co-creator of your biology. And as we continue to explore the mysteries of quantum life, one thing becomes clear. You are far more powerful than you think. Your consciousness is not just watching your genes. It may be shaping them. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and drop a comment below.